Okay, now let's talk about Google Messages and how can you customize them, right? So by Google Messages, what we are likely referring to is the Google Chat. And now it used to be called differently in the past. It used to be called Google Hangouts and other stuff as well. So make sure to have the Google Chat application like set up and whatever, and just get started. You're obviously gonna have to continue with your Google account, and you essentially get to this page and you can start a new conversation with whoever you want and whatever, but you can just find person and the person you want to connect to with, right? So what you can do in order to customize it, essentially what you have to do is just to click on the three dots right here, or I mean the three lines at the top, and go to the settings, and all of the customization is going to be happening right here, right? So a bunch of stuff is showing up. So for example, we have the do not disturb mode. You can customize the notification sounds, but as you can notice, I just declined the notifications altogether. You can set up smart replies, some apps which you can connect with. For example, in case somebody shares the link with you, you can decide which is going to be the default web browser where it's going to be opened up, right? So for example, this also applies to calendars, maps, and plenty of different stuff can be customized in here. Also, if I just go to the chat sections, and let me just begin one, right? So for example, let's say I just create a space, which is just going to be a test, right? So I'm going to click on here, and in here I'm going to write a message. So I'm going to type in hello. This can of course be customized to a degree as well, right? So if you click in here, you can see that I can manage some different stuff. So for example, I can just mark stuff as unread. I can manage the members. I can change the description and whatnot. So that's how you can do it. You can of course add some other stuff in here, like different photos and whatever. You can also change the formatting of the text, which means that you can make it strike through, italics, underline, bold, even all of the stuff at the same time. So there are plenty of ways how you can customize it. It's very hard for me to know what exactly you mean. So in case there is something very specific, let me know down below in the comments. But for now, thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe below and I'll catch you in the future.